everybody. I wanted to do an experiment with you to see what materials don't let go of resin. In other words, what can you use that will peel, the resin will peel off really well. So I've got saran wrap, a black trash bag, some aluminium foil, some tin foil. I haven't labeled those because they speak for themselves. A Ziploc bag, thin plastic cover that actually I often use for my table from the hardware store, heavy plastic sheeting from the hardware store, and wax paper. And let's see. So I'm just going to put a bit, oh, I realised I had a lollipop stick in there. I'm going to put a bit on each. And then when this is dry, tomorrow, we'll come back and see what happened with this experiment. And partly why I'm doing this is I want to create one of those resin kind of sculptural bowls, and I'm trying to work out which material, oh, I can't even barely see the plastic, thin plastic, which background I'm going to use. So let's come back tomorrow and see how this dried. Okay, they've all dried now, and I added one more because what I tend to cover my work table with is I get these shower curtains from the dollar store. It was like $1.19, and every now and again, you know, they get messed up and I'll change them. So changing today, so I added shower curtain. All right, let's begin with the first one, cling wrap. See if I can get it off. I can. I hope I'm in this frame. Right, so cling wrap, check. And I'm gonna list these below to see which, and so the list will be yes or no, it'll come off. So yay for cling wrap. Tin foil, which you would think might work because it's shiny, but nope. So no to tin foil. Boo. Black trash bag. Yay! That always works. That's a dream. Black trash bag. Yes. Check. Ziploc bag. Oh, yes. Yes. Check. Put the cling film there. This is really thin plastic covering. I've got a thick sheet on here right now, but actually normally I'll cover my table with this, especially if I'm doing resin work, and then when I finish I can just like gather the whole thing up and throw it away. So yes, it does come off, but I have to say it's not the greatest because I spill resin on it all the time. But anyway, that's, yes, thumbs up, check. Heavy plastic sheeting, which this is underneath here. And I get this at the, not the Do It Centre, Home Depot. Yes, like a dream. Wax paper. Yes. Yes, like a dream. And there's a thin piece here. Let's see if this really thin piece comes up. Yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Go wax paper. Yes, check. And shower curtain. Yes. I knew that happens because I'm spilling it on all the time. So I just wanted to show you that because They're so cheap. So the only one that didn't work was the tin foil. I've had issues with cling film before, and I tried to, I'm sure you all know Sue Finley does these resin sculptures, and this is what she uses. And I did try one and I couldn't get it off, and I don't know if that's because it had too many creases and wrinkles and trapped the resin. So I was looking for an alternative to use because I want to make one of those beautiful resin bowls. And I think I'm going to go with heavy plastic sheeting. Well, there was another one I had. Oh, hang on a second. I can't find it. I did do another one, and I don't know where it's gone. And it was acetate sheets, and it does come off that. Right, the other thing is these are silicone spatulas I use to mix resin. These are fantastic. You just get the resin on the next day and it just peels right off. So no messy cleanup with that. I let it dry and then I just peel it off. In fact, I try to leave like a thick coating on it because it's just easier to just pull it all off in one go. And the link to those is below here on my Amazon supply list. All right, and then here's another one with resin. Just peels right off. Easy, easy peasy. No messy cleanup. And I'm very low maintenance when it comes to cleaning up. I like to have most things disposable, or at least things I can actually use again instead of having to really scrub and clean. So there we go. I hope you liked the experiment. It was interesting. Hoped it helped. And the other reason, apart from the bowls, the resin bowls, if you want to make acrylic skins, these are a good way to go. I used to have a big black trash bag over a piece of wood to make my skins. Thank you. See you in my next vid.